Right, students, this is the app creation as I told it over there, and definitely this is the site you can finding out snappy.appypie.com/login. First, you have to sign up with the help of your Gmail account and or any other way. I have done with my own account and my password. Now first we have to click on login option. Once you click on login option, you're finding out it turn to take you to the apps creation, and finding out since I have done so many apps, so here you can get it. So first you have to go to the option create new option. Here you can get the option create your native mobile app or create your website. So the option is coming create your mobile app. If you click on here, definitely it is asking your app name. Suppose we have done learn Java, we can go for learn Java now. This is the name of my app, and then click on next. These are the category which you want to go for. Since it is based on the education, so I'm clicking on the education option here. Now pick a color scheme if you like. There are different color scheme. You can select it light or dark. So go for green if I select it. Now it is asking what type of app you are supporting for the operating system. It might be based on Android, it might be based on iPhone. So you click on Android option if you have go for the Android, because it is quite suitable so that you can check it out, as well as you can also go for the iPhone also. Now after done this option, you're finding out it is taking a bit of time to create your. Now we are coming to the segment of the designing part. Here is you finding out header, this is portion of layout, and this is portion for the page. So you can finding out, go to the headers, you can write your text here. So text, you can write it Java. Once you click on, you finding out it is on the right side preview, that is the simulator, it's showing over there, and you can select any picture from there also. You can insert the picture. So if you click on here, you're finding out the option is coming. So the different style, you can select anyone and then click on OK button, so that you can finding out the bar is appeared at the top of the preview option. After that, if you want to go for any other design, this is the layout which you prefer. Suppose if you go for this structure, you're finding out it is changes. If you go for this structure, if you go for changes, as a result, if you go for this structure, you can go for this structure, it is also you can change it. So which one you can go for, and definitely the image for your purpose. Next we are coming to the layout. You're finding out the layout option which you have selected. You can change the app background. So for this one you can select which you preferable, or you can free from AppyPie, which is they are providing. So you can go for this. Then since it is the free, so you are not getting all the options from there. So education we can get it. These are the different books, so I can select this one and then click on OK. Finding out this is the options app background. Yeah, it is already selected, so you can go for. Now it is coming for the splash screen. If you want any other splash screen, like it is, if I give it this one, so that, so, or you can give it this one, then click on OK. So the splash screen, it will be appear over here. And then finally we are coming to the segment of page layout which you want. So here is the page layout. If you want the different types of colors, the app background, whatever customized, if you want to go for any business you want to change, you can. So after this style of changing, whatever you have finalized, then you have to click on the save and continue option. Once you save and continue option, make sure this is a free version, so you cannot edit so many things over there. For updation your text or updation anything else, you need to purchase for the month basis. You need to purchase some of the moderators, more than one for this one, so that they will allow to provide the text and provide the options, so you can create your app. Now you're finding out this is the time is taking over there. So they are giving the preparation time with the help of their testing your app, and it will take some moment, and once it has been done, in finding out there is a way that they are providing the 3 ways. You can send the link to the email ID. There is a QR code scanner. So as I was telling over there, this the barcode QR code. So if in your mobile contains the QR code scanner, you can easily scan this barcode QR code and access your this app, whatever you have done, with the help of your test apps. So you are finding out here there is an email. You can finding out there is an email option. You finding out there's a message and copy link. So which you want you can, and based on that you can get your .apk file, which is quite useful for you to apply for your learning creation of an app. I once again should say this is a testing one. So if you go for further any kind of development or further edit your text, you should purchase it so that you can able to do. I hope all of you can able to get it. Thank you for watching. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.